Vinyl window installation in Austin, Texas, offers homeowners a range of benefits, including improved energy efficiency and enhanced curb appeal. With custom vinyl windows, Austin, you can tailor your window solutions to fit the unique style and needs of your home. Our vinyl window experts in Austin, Texas, provide top-notch window installation services, ensuring that your new windows are installed with precision and care. Energy-efficient windows in Austin are a smart investment for any homeowner looking to reduce energy costs. Insulated windows help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. By choosing energy-efficient windows Austin, you can enjoy significant window energy savings while contributing to a greener environment. Custom vinyl windows, Austin offers a variety of styles and options to suit any home design. From double-hung windows to sliding windows, our vinyl window options Austin provide flexibility and functionality. Our window design consultation Austin services help you select the perfect vinyl window styles Austin to complement your home's architecture. Window replacement Austin TX is a seamless process with our experienced team. We handle everything from window frame installation Austin to window glass replacement Austin, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Our vinyl window solutions Austin TX are designed to enhance your home's value and aesthetic appeal. Double-hung windows Austin are a popular choice for their classic look and ease of use. These windows offer excellent ventilation and are easy to clean, making them a practical option for any home. Our vinyl window installation Austin TX team ensures that your double-hung windows are installed correctly for maximum performance. Vinyl window replacement Austin services are essential for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your windows. Our team specializes in vinyl window maintenance Austin, addressing issues such as window sealing Austin TX and window weatherproofing Austin. Regular maintenance can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of your windows. Affordable vinyl windows Austin provides a cost-effective solution for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. Our window installation cost Austin TX is competitive, offering value for money without compromising on quality. With vinyl window upgrades Austin, you can enhance your home's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Window durability Austin is a key consideration for homeowners in the area. Our vinyl window benefits Austin include resistance to weathering, low maintenance requirements, and long-lasting performance. By choosing durable vinyl windows, you can enjoy peace of mind, knowing your investment is protected. Window installation services Austin are tailored to meet the specific needs of each client. Our team of vinyl window experts Austin TX is dedicated to providing exceptional service and high-quality products. Whether you need new window frame installation or window glass replacement, we have the expertise to deliver outstanding results. Vinyl window options Austin offer a wide range of choices for homeowners looking to enhance their home's appearance and functionality. From traditional to modern designs, our vinyl window styles Austin cater to diverse tastes and preferences. Our window design consultation Austin helps you make informed decisions about your window upgrades.